Hi, I'm Caleb Hanson, leader of the Hanson Homes team here at Keller Williams Realty. And we're talking about the process of making an offer on a home once you've seen one that you'd like to make an offer on. So, once we've gathered the negotiating context and completed our market analysis, we're ready to put together an official offer package and submit that to a seller's agent for presentation to that seller. So, we're going to start by creating a cover letter that highlights what you love about the home, and that shows how motivated you are for buying it. And that's important to sellers to feel like they're selling to somebody who's going to value that home and who's going to care for it. And so that encourages them to say yes. In addition to that, we're going to clarify the terms by summarizing them in that cover letter, which also encourages them to say yes, because people tend to say no to things they don't understand and have an easier time saying yes to things that they do understand. And we don't know for sure how the communication is going to be between the seller and their agent. So we can control that a little bit via our cover letter to make sure that those terms are presented clearly and in an understandable way. We'll also use that cover letter to introduce our team. And the reason that we do that is because real estate stuff is stressful. And we want to show that we're going to help make it easier by using our experience and providing smooth communication. And so we're essentially saying, we're going to make your job easier by being very professional. And we have a lot of experience. We're not going to create excess drama for you. So that'll be the first piece, that cover letter. Then we're going to include evidence of your financial capacity. And we're going to provide a pre-approval letter from the lender showing that you're capable of getting the loan that you're proposing. And then also show some evidence that you've got cash available for down payment and closing costs. So that's typically in the form of a bank account statement or some other kind of account statement that has your name on it, that's dated recently and shows how much money you have available. And that just shows that seller that you've got the financial ability to follow through on the deal that you're proposing in the offer. So once we've got that stuff, we'll prepare the offer forms, which are essentially a contract that's only filled out with your signatures and initials and the price and terms that you'd like to have. So that's things like the type of financing you're going to use, timing for closing, a timing for exits from the deal. So those are ways that you could back out, called contingencies. Please do watch the video on that. That's a really important topic that's a little more than I can fit in this video. And then there will also be the timing for the seller moving out and the buyer moving in. There are terms for how to handle personal property like appliances, whether they're going to be included or not, and a variety of other details as well. So we'll have you sign those once we've got them prepared, and then we'll combine that with the other pieces of the offer package and submit that to a seller for review. And typically we'll get a response back between 24 and 72 hours. Sometimes it'll take a little bit longer under special circumstances, but that's pretty normal. As always, if you have any questions about this or anything else real estate related, feel free to reach out. My cell phone number is 909-576-0695, and I look forward to connecting soon.